Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new Goodiebox. But before I get started with this particular box, I want to remind you guys to make sure to check out my giveaway. We are so very close, we're like about 14 subscribers away, and I would really like to give away that satchel with makeup. The deal is, as soon as I reach 600 subscribers, I will give out a satchel filled with makeup. You can check out the video, one of my previous videos. You can just check out my old videos. It's very easy to find. It will literally say giveaway. And as soon as I reach 600 subscribers and give away that satchel filled with makeup, a new giveaway will start. And now, especially with the holidays, I cannot wait to give that sucker away and start the new giveaway. I've got something very special in mind. So you guys could help me out by subscribing to my channel, and if you're already subscribed, then make sure all of your friends or your family subscribe. So the sooner we reach 600 subscribers, the sooner we're gonna give that away. Okay, opening up the goodie box of November 2020, the disaster year that is 2020. Whoa, the mailman has not been kind to this box. Okay, I can already tell by the paper. You got this. You got this box. Okay, so I'm gonna put the booklet over here, and then we got beautiful pink paper, which I'm gonna rip it to shreds. Oh, what's this? Oh, hold on. I see something in here. Togetherness gifted. Hand-picked gifts that keep each other close. Commodore. But do we get like a discount? No. So basically just commercial for Commodore, not really interested right now. We've got a palette from, it says Bare Necessities, eyeshadow and blush palette from Phase Zero? I think it's from Phase Zero. Okay, let's open this sucker up. Come on out of there. Let's see. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Let me just pull the box away. That looks freaking awesome. Okay, from Bare Necessities, the Phase Zero. Oh, you actually saw my face. And the reason, by the way, why we're filming like this, with, you know, hello, my hand and the floor and not my face, is because I did an eyelid correction and my face is not camera ready. Y'all probably seen it in this little cap, and it does not look good. But the palette looks amazing. Like, I cannot believe it, especially this color right here. Cannot wait to play around with it. I love it. Okay, now let me check the booklet. So the Phase Zero Bare Necessities eyeshadow palette is worth $39.50, and honestly, I cannot wait to play around with this sucker. I've never used eyeshadows from Bare Necessity, from Phase Zero before, so I cannot wait to play around with that. Okay, let's move on to Now Bae. This is a Vitality and Shine shampoo, sulfate free. Okay, so this is what that sucker looks like. Oh my goodness, I dropped it, sorry. I will have to check the booklet. Let's see, the Now Bae Vitality and Shine shampoo for 250 milliliters. The store worth is $18.60. Okay, moving on to Nails Ink. I really enjoy Nails Ink. This is the 45-second top coat for Speedy Gloss. I will have to check out and see whether or not it's actually 45 seconds. I don't really believe that stuff, because nail polish, they say nail polish takes like, I don't know, a minute or two to dry. But in my case, it doesn't. Like, I swear to God, whenever I put on nail polish, and it's not often because y'all know I have gel nails, but whenever I put on nail polish, it takes like about a day or so to dry, and even in my sleep, I get crust and stuff like that in my nails. It's not nice. So the Nails Ink 45-second top coat with retinol is a full size, and the worth is 15 euros. Okay, we've got two more items in this box. One is, let's see, argan oil from... Hold on, let me just check the argan oil and marula. It's a nourishing hair serum and clearly not a full size from Lux Liss. Honestly, I've never heard of this. Okay, So hopefully you guys are able to see that, but this is, come on, focus, focus, focus. This is what that sucker looks like. I feel like it's not really focusing. Hold on, let me just try and bump the camera, see if it won't focus. Anyway, this is what that little sucker looks like. Clearly not a full size, so I'm going to place it over here. In the booklet from Lux Liss, the Nourishing Hair Care Serum, the store worth is €22.90 for 55 milliliters. We got 30, so that is a little bit more than half. So that's actually a decent sample or travel size, the way you want to call it. Okay, moving on to the last item, which is from Star Skin. It's the Gold Mask Eye. So it's an eye mask, revitalizing luxury gold foiled eye masks. Because clearly two, you know. Yeah, 2 eyes. Okay, so this is what that sucker looks like. I am so freaking happy with Star Skin all of the time. Let me just check. Yes, the box is empty. Okay, so the last item from Star Skin is the gold foil eye mask. The store worth is €25 for 5, which basically means you get 5 sockets, I think. But we only got 1, so I think it should say somewhere here, like, not suitable for sale or something. No, it doesn't. Okay. Anyway, you get 5 in the packet, and the store worth, like I said, is €25. Okay, guys, and that is it. That is it for this month's box. I love this box. I'm hella excited for the bare necessities. Love the Star Skin, but also very much enjoy a hair serum and a shampoo. And of course, I'm very, very eager to see if this really takes 45 seconds. I love it. I honestly feel like this is more of a December box than it is a November box. And that always kind of triggers me because we are supposed to receive a December box next month, of course. And I feel like this palette should probably have been in that box because it will take okay, let me explain it this way, because I don't want to bash a company. It's not about that at all, but I personally just feel if the December boxes are always the most anticipated boxes throughout the year because of the holidays, and we always expect something special to be in there. So in my opinion, and feel free to let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think? But in my opinion, the December box should be better than the November box or any other box out there throughout the year, because clearly the holidays and it's freaking December, like the end of the year, you go out with a bang. And I feel like it's going to be extremely hard to top this box, especially because of the bare necessities and the Star Skin. I think Goodiebox is going to have an extremely hard time doing that. I wish them good luck, but I rather would have seen this in a December box than to be disappointed in a December box. I hope you all understand. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? Like I said, I love it. And don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!